When replacing a JBL Flip 4 battery, you may encounter a stuck battery. This common issue occurs due to battery swelling or strong adhesive holding the battery in place. Before starting disassembly, gather the proper tools. Use only plastic prying tools to avoid damaging the speaker components or causing safety hazards. Begin disassembly by carefully removing the fabric cover. Use a plastic tool to gently pry around the edges, avoiding damage to the fabric material. Next, remove the screws from both ends of the speaker and the speaker grill. Keep track of these screws as you'll need them for reassembly. Detach the end cap, which may be twisted off or secured by additional screws. Then carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Now you can see the internal components. The battery is typically held in place by strong adhesive. If the battery is swollen, as shown here, removal becomes more challenging. To remove the stuck battery, use a plastic tool or wooden stick to gently pry it out. Work slowly and apply even pressure to avoid damaging the battery or internal components. If the battery remains stuck, you may need to push it out from the opposite end. First, remove the charging port and any obstructing components. Then carefully push the battery through. Remember, patience is key when removing a stuck battery. Take your time, use the proper tools, and prioritize safety throughout the process. Once the battery is removed, you'll be ready for the replacement procedure. When replacing your JBL Flip 4 battery, the first critical step is ensuring you have the correct replacement battery with matching specifications. Next, you must connect the new battery to the motherboard with correct polarity. Incorrect polarity can damage your speaker permanently. During reassembly, ensure all components are properly aligned and secured. Take your time to avoid damaging delicate parts. After battery replacement, you may need to perform a reset to resolve any issues. There are two types of resets available. If your power button doesn't work after battery replacement, check for a damaged ribbon cable. This flexible cable can be easily cut during disassembly. Remember these critical safety warnings. Never use metal tools near the battery, and be extremely careful with swollen batteries as they can be dangerous if punctured.